Hi everyone, it's Jonny. I wanted to give you a little update because 2 months ago we installed all of this raised garden bed, and we planted the plants, the tomatoes, the paprika, the cucumber. And now it's 2 months later, and maybe you're asking yourself, is it growing? And I can tell you yes, it's growing. When I planted the roof, I thought of the tomatoes that my mom used to plant on the balcony when I was a kid. They grown up to 30, 40, sometimes 50 centimeters, but not higher. And I know glass houses that the tomatoes are grown pretty wild. They're going high, but I thought let's make a roof which is 90 centimeters high, where the tomatoes have enough space to grow. Well, let's say welcome to my jungle. The tomatoes teach me something else. As you can see, it's just going wild. It's so amazing. I mean, in this raised garden bed, in the second one that I'm showing you here, is even less soil than in the other. So I don't know where they get the energy and stuff, but there are tomatoes everywhere. So everywhere you look, there are tomatoes, 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 literally everywhere. And I used to say, welcome to my little jungle, because yeah, you can see they are growing up here. But I think I can also show you, first of all, I can taste one. I mean, they're also pretty delicious, yeah? So, alrighty. So we're heading, actually the guy who sold me the cucumber plants, maybe you remember, there were 2 cucumber plants. One of these was actually in pumpkin, as you can see down here, but that's okay. The paprika is also doing pretty good. I mean, you can see the size. That's not that bad in my eyes. The other 2 paprika plants, one is actually a chili plant, which is great because I love chili. And the third one is actually a little pretty funny shape. Alright. Ruth beet is also doing pretty well. I'm gonna harvest them in a couple weeks, maybe in some days, the first ones. The kohlrabi is not doing that well because there are some bugs who are destroying the leaves. It's still growing, as you can see down here, but yeah, maybe some of you have a tip for me how to get rid of these bugs. I don't know. I don't want to use any chemicals, so if someone has an idea, please let me know. And the last line of paprika is also growing. I mean, when I planted them, they were so small and I didn't know if they're even growing, but they do. So let's head to the second one. First of all, the garlic herb is down here because it didn't like the sun that much. And yeah, so I transferred it down here. The beans have also grown, as you can see here. I mean, that's not a bad result. It's not for a whole family, okay? It's only for one person. And yeah, the salad has already grown so much that it became bitter, but I used to eat it a lot. Here you can see the zucchini. They're also growing pretty fast. I mean, in this plant you can see that there are 2 zucchini in one plant. Can you see it down here? First one, second one. Salad is also growing. I've eaten a lot of these because I only take the leaves from down here. And yeah, here's another zucchini. So all in all, or after all, I'm pretty happy with the result. And I think that this project is something everyone could do. Plant some plants. So as I said, the tomatoes are pretty tasty, and when I'm coming home at night or in the afternoon and I'm going to my raised garden beds and I'm picking some tomatoes, I'm picking some chives, I'm picking some garlic herb, and then I make myself some pasta. It's just amazing. It's beautiful, and I think that this is the real joy of life in some way. Not the Ibiza celebrating, just this where it's gotten bad planting, okay? So we will see you next time when we're working with 5 tools. I hope you had fun. I hope you've seen these pictures, and I hope you can feel the joy that I'm feeling when I'm like picking all this cool vegetables. See you next time. Bye bye.